Loving God, thank you that you have created a beautiful, diverse people. People who are so different in more ways than we could begin to imagine or name, yet share one humanity. In this LGBT History Month, we particularly thank you for the gift of diverse sexualities and genders, all part of your beautiful creation. May we become a church that truly values LGBT people as members of your loving family. May we be known for blessing their relationships and their lives. May LGBT people no longer live in fear of judgment and condemnation, but instead know that you created them in your image and you love them just as they are and welcome them in. For you truly are the God who beckons us to come and know you more and more. Amen.